Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make croutons. I just cut up my own bread and I'll show you how to do that. It's 10 minutes. It's simple, easy. You can put whatever seasonings you like on it. Okay, let's get this bread open. And I don't need but about a half a loaf. So I'm just going to cut that in half. All right, so I'm going to take that other half of bread, put it back in the bag, stick it back in the fridge. I'll make French toast or some more croutons or whatever I need. All right, let's just go ahead and get this cut. See, you can tell it's stale. But that's the best way to do it. I'm excited. I really love homemade croutons. I do it pretty often because I really do like it. And I'm going to put it on about a medium flame, and then I'm going to set my empty dry pan, and I'm going to let that pan get hot. Okay, we're going to take about a half a stick of butter. Now I may use more. We just have to see. That's quite a bit of croutons there. I cut my butter into little sections. You hear that sizzle? I let my pan get hot enough. We're going to drop that in there and just let that melt. Okay, we're just going to get that around like that. Just smell that butter. Okay. All right, we're going to get our breadcrumbs and we're just going to come put them in that pan just like that. Okay, get them in there. I'm going to turn my eye up just a little bit. But I'm going to stand here and watch them. I'm not going to need that butter. And you know what? I think I am going to need a little more butter because it's already absorbed. So we're going to put a little more butter in there. Maybe another 2 teaspoons or so. Like 2 little squares. Down there in the bottom. Okay, now we're going to get it seasoned up. I'm going to put just a little bit of salt, but maybe half a teaspoon or so. Now I'm going to get me some pepper. My cat Essie is just jumping around in here. She's wanting Randy to pet her, and he's on the camera, and she is mad. Now she's leaving. She's leaving. Alright, and then we're going to put some garlic in there. Alright, seasoning is really all relative. It depends on what you like. If you like more garlic, put it on. If you like more or less salt, put it on. If you don't want any pepper in there, that's what makes homemade croutons the best. If you want Italian style, throw you some Italian in there. If you want herb and garlic, throw that, whatever floats your boat. Put it on a salad, put it in your soup. Shoot, just eat them. I mean, they're good just to sit there and eat, I like them. Here we go. And then you just want to toss them. Let them sit just a second, then toss them again. But you can't be running all over the kitchen now. I mean, you have to stay with them because you don't want them to burn. Just want them to get toasted. And the easiest way to do this now, absolutely the easiest way to do this is in your oven. Just get you a sheet pan, throw you some parchment paper on it, drizzle them with olive oil or butter, and then put your seasonings. But, right now this is how I have to do it, so this is the way I do it. And they're very, very good. Stay with it, guys. Don't let them burn. Yep, when you do it on stovetop, it is time consuming because you do have to keep moving them around. You don't want any of them to burn, but you want them all to toast. They do need to all be toasted. So, And you don't want the flame up high. You want it to stay medium to medium low because, again, you don't want them to burn. So we're just going to keep at it until I think I got a nice little toast on all my pieces. Alright guys, we're going to call this good. They're crunchy. They've all got a nice little coat on them. They're all buttery and garlicky, and I haven't burned any. So, that's it. Y'all have a great night and enjoy them.